Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the UFO so it responds predictably. Grab 3 energy cores and 2 coolant canisters from the supply bay, then dock the craft at Platform B and align to the green marker. This avoids calibration drift. Once docked, open the control panel and set power to 50% to begin spin-up slowly, because a slow ramp prevents overheating. While the engine's warm, verify telemetry on the top right HUD and confirm coolant flow is steady before you proceed. Once you have steady telemetry and warm engines, engage thrusters at 60% to achieve smooth vertical lift. This balances lift versus heat output. As you leave the platform, use the joystick X-axis to control yaw and the Y-axis for pitch. Small, deliberate inputs keep Penguin passengers calm. Make sure to toggle the stabilizer during gusts to maintain orientation. If approaching hazards, activate cloaking and drop to 30% power to conserve energy while preserving control authority. You finish by lining up the landing pad and approaching at 15 meters per second, then slow to 5 meters per second in the final 10 meters for a gentle touchdown. When altitude drops below 3 meters, deploy landing legs and engage reverse thrusters at 20% to cushion contact. This reduces bounce. If a system fault occurs, perform a manual override. Cut power to 0, wait 3 seconds, then restart the energy cores and reinitialize the control panel. This often clears transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.